What's up, everyone? Coates Curriculum here. Brendan Coates, author of 30-Day Challenge, Bodies by Brendan. And I'm just in my office and I want to discuss acidity and how important it is to not be acidic, and yet how we want to support our acidity and our stomach acid. So it's kind of like a two-part video. As you know, or maybe you don't know, but I'm a big nerd and I love to read and research. So I just pulled up a study about acidity and I'm going to read it and just have a listen. So the study is called Acidification of Tumor at Stromal Boundaries Drives Transcriptome Alterations Associated with Aggressive Phenotypes. And here's the abstract. Acidosis is a fundamental feature of the tumor microenvironment, which directly regulates tumor cell invasion by affecting immune cell function, clonal cell evolution, and drug resistance. Despite the important association of tumor microenvironment acidosis with tumor cell invasion, relatively little is known regarding which areas within a tumor are acidic and how acidosis influences gene expression to promote invasion. Surprisingly, acidic regions were not restricted to hypoxic areas and overlapped with highly proliferative invasive regions at the tumor stroma interface, which were marked by increased expression of matrix metalloproteinases and degradation of the basement membrane, which is the cell. Extracellular acidification may also contribute to aggressive phenotypes through modulation of transcriptome dynamics. Transcriptome-wide studies suggest that tumor stressors such as hypoxia, nutrient starvation, and lactate acidosis can each regulate gene expression at the transcriptional and post-transcriptional levels in vitro. For instance, low extracellular pH induces increased histone deacetylation, thereby influencing the expression of certain stress-responsive genes. And then fast forwarding into the long study, they concluded that the study found that the acidic environment helps tumor cells to produce proteins that make them more aggressive. The researchers also showed that they could reverse this process in mice by making the tumor environment less acidic. Interesting. So basically, what this study suggests is that the more acidic that you are, the more prone to more aggressive types of disease and cancer and whatnot. And obviously the more pH balanced that you are, the less acidic you're going to be, so the healthier that you're going to be. Which brings me to a kind of cool little experiment that I want to show with you, and I haven't done it yet. And I want to kind of put proof in the pudding, because this is going to be a real factor for myself, because I've been kind of researching this one product that I'm going to be having in my office. But this is the last test that I'm going to do right now. So I've been a big advocate of non-coffee drinking. It's acidic, it's diuretic, it halts your digestion, very dehydrating. There's a lot of anti-nutrients in with coffee, but if you can find a good sourced coffee, then there are a lot of health benefits. And a lot of the times when clients are here in my practice, it's one of the last things that they want to give. I will not give up coffee. So the old adage goes, if you can't beat them, join them. And I will now implement a certain type of coffee. I'm not going to name the coffee yet, but it has medicinal properties. And the ultimate test right now is to see if it's pH or alkaline. And this company, this brand, says that they're the only coffee that is not acidic. In fact, it's alkaline. So we're going to do a test. This is your regular Starbucks coffee right here, instant coffee. Let's see if I can open it up here. There we go. Just put it in here. And there's nothing in this cup here. Okay, nothing in it. I just poured the coffee in it. And then here's the brand that I'm going to be carrying in my office. I'm not showing you the brand yet. And again, there was nothing in here, just now there's the coffee. So I've got some pH strips. 7.14, 7.14 is the marker where anything lower than that is acidic, and anything higher than that is alkaline. And so the more alkaline that you are, the better, the healthier. So I've got some water here from my apartment, and I have a 3-cartridge filtration system right from the tap water. Unfortunately, I don't have reverse osmosis because the building's really old and the plumbing, they couldn't do it. So I've got the next best thing. So let's see what this pH level is here. And in the meantime, I'm going to pour water in the Starbucks, and then the other brand. So I'm looking here, my water, I'm going to do this here. Let's put you on auto. I'm not doing, there we go. There. So as you can see, it's right at that 7 marker right there. So actually it's starting to turn greener. So it's actually more alkaline, which is good because that's healthier. That's what you want. There we go. You see that? Okay. Okay. The moment we've all been waiting for, and it looks like I've got a battery that's going to die. So I got to do this fast. Stir stick. I'm going to flip it. Okay. Here's the one from Starbucks. And here is the healthier version. So right away, the one from, there we go, okay, you can see that, acidic. And it's just in between 6 and 7. So it's not as acidic as the regular coffee. And the water is definitely alkaline, as you can see. So there you have it. It's not as acidic as the regular coffee. It's almost at that alkaline acidity level. So that's a big, is the battery in it? Okay. That's a big marker for me. Here it is. And I like it black. I don't normally drink coffee, but I'm going to implement this. I'm not going to say what the brand is, but it's really, really medicinal, a lot of healing properties, so I'm excited to offer this to my clients at the clinic. That being said, hopefully before the battery runs out. This is a stomach acid supplement. So many people have improper digestion. So many people have a lack of stomach acid, and so many people are taking stomach acid suppressants because they want to manage their heartburn and their GERD symptoms. We can fix that with a product like this, along with my 5 steps to resetting your digestion. There's a protocol involved, but this is an amazing supplement that we can actually use to start to elevate and bring your stomach acid to an optimal level where you don't even need the supplements anymore, and you won't be on the medication anymore, and you will not have any more GERD or heartburn symptoms additionally, you'll actually be absorbing all of those nutrients from the foods that you really, really need. So it's really fascinating. So that's what I do. Kind of interesting, cool little experiment. It didn't really blow me away. I was hoping for it to be more alkaline, but it's certainly more alkaline than the regular Starbucks coffee that everyone drinks, or Tim Hortons or McDonald's. So there's some really cool properties. I'm going to be hosting a webinar next week. I think probably Tuesday. I don't know what the date is on that. Stay tuned. And then I'm going to be hosting a free in-person workshop, how to optimize health, how to use some, what kind of tools that people can use to improve their health. So stay tuned, lots of exciting information. And also, if you want to reach out and get a session with me right here in my office in Burlington, you're more than welcome to. So on that note, in good health and in good spirit.